Hello guys, welcome back to this concept based YouTube channel. Today we will discuss class 9 maths problem based on exercise 1.5, question number 5. So as we can see in the question, it is about to rationalize the denominator of the following expressions or the following, okay? So as we can see that in Roman number 1, it is written as 1 by root 7. If it talks about rationalize the denominator, that means the number which is in the downside, okay, or which is in the denominator, this is in the form of irrational number. So that number we have to convert it in the form of rational number, okay. So the process of converting irrational number which is in the denominator in the form of rational number, okay, we call it as rationalize the denominator. All right, okay. If it is clear, then I will proceed to the main problem, okay, that is Roman number 1, that is 1 by root 7. All right, okay. Okay, then let us proceed to the problem. And the first problem we have solution, okay, solution, that is what do I have, that is 1 by root 7, okay, 1 by root 7. So let us write root 7 and one more, okay, root 7 by root 7. If you got this 2, then it will get 1. So if you multiply 1 with this number, then it will get this number again. So the process or the reasons why I wrote here, it is because of to convert this irrational number in the form of rational number, okay. Just because of that I wrote in this form. All right, then let us proceed to the problem, that is root 7 into how much it is, 1. That will give you root 7, and root 7 into root 7, that will give you root 7 whole square, okay. Square and root cancel. How much would it be? That will be root 7 by how much it is, that is 7, okay. Now we can see that the number which is in the denominator, we just express it in the form of rational number from irrational number, okay. So that's what we're gonna do here, okay. Then let us proceed to the next problem, that is question number that is Roman number 2. It is Roman number 1. Let us proceed to Roman number 2. What do we have in Roman number 2? That is 1 by root 7 minus 1 by root 7 minus root 6, okay. Let us write solution, okay. Let us write here 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into, if it is minus in this case, you have to put plus here, okay. Root 7 plus root 6 divided by root 7 plus root 6, okay. If you multiply this two, how much will you get? You will get root 7 plus root 6. If you multiply this two, you can use the formula that we call it as a square minus b square. Here root 7 will be the values of a and root 6 will be the values of b, okay. We will use the formulas of a square b square, okay. What is the values of a? That is root 7, and the formula we have a square. Just because of that, I will put a square here, okay. Then in the formula we have minus. Right after that, we have to put the values of b, okay. That is root 6. Actually, as we can know it from the formula, that is b is in the form of b square. So I will write it square here. Square and root cancel. Square and root cancel, okay. Root 7 plus root 6, 7 minus 6, okay. Root 7 plus root 6, okay. So 7 minus 1, how much will it be? That it will be 1, okay. Actually the number which is in the denominator, we just express it in the form of rational number from irrational number, okay. That's what we'll do here. All right, that we can write this one in the form of root 7 plus root 6. Even though we didn't write 1 in the denominator, but if we write it in this form, that means 1 is in, we came to know that 1 is in the denominator. Okay, that's all. Then let us proceed to the next problem, that is Roman number 3. Okay, Roman number 3 solution. What do we have in Roman number 3? That is root 5 plus root 2. Okay, even here we have to convert this rational number in the form of, no, in here we have to convert this irrational number in the form of rational number. Okay, root 5 plus root 2 into, if we have plus here, we have to keep here minus. Okay, root 5 minus root 2. Even here we have to put root 5 minus root 2. Just multiply these two. How much will you get? That is root 5 minus root 2. Okay, if you multiply these two, as I just explained it in the earlier problem or in the Roman number 2 problem, that we can use here the formula that we call it as a square minus b square. Here the values of a will be 5, root 5, and values of b will be root 2. Okay, root 5 whole square. According to formula, we have to write this one. Okay, root 5 square and root 2 whole square. Okay, root 5 minus root 2, square and root cancel, square and root cancel, 5 minus 2. Okay, so if you subtract 5 minus, and that is if you subtract 2 from 5, then how much will you get? Then you will get 3. 3 is in the form of rational number that we just converted from this. Okay, so this is all about the question has access to solve. Okay, that's all. Then let us proceed to Roman number 4. What do we have in Roman number 4? Solution. Root 7 minus 2. Let us write like this, root 7 minus 2. If it is minus, then we have to write here plus. Okay, root 7 plus 2. Here root 7 plus 2. Okay, just multiply this one and this. Okay, then it will be root 7 plus 2. If you multiply these two, you can use the formula that I just told you, a square minus b square. Okay, so here the values of a will be root 7 and the values of b will be 2. According to the formula, this will be square, that is a square, and this will be b square, that is 2 square. Okay, root 7 square minus 2 square. Okay, actually here we just apply the formula that is a square minus b square. Okay, root 7 plus 2, square and root cancel, 7, 2 square, that will give you how much? 4. Okay, root 7 plus 2, 7 minus 4, that will give you 3. Okay, since 3 is in the form of rational number, that we converted or that we got it from this irrational number. Okay, so that's what the question has asked us to do. Let us move to the next problem, that is Roman number 5. Okay, what do we have in Roman number 5? That is 13 by root 5. Okay, 13 by root 5. We have to convert this one in the form of rational number. 13 by root 5 into root 5 by root 5. Okay, in order to convert the denominator, which is irrational number, in the form of rational number, we have to write it like this. Okay, if you multiply this to, how much will you get? That is 13 root 5. And if you multiply this to, and how much will you get? That is root 5 square. Okay, square and root cancel, that is 13 by how much? That is 5. And you can write it as like this. Okay, or you can write it like this, 13 by 5 into root 5. Okay, there is no problem for that, and that's up to you. Okay, if you want to write it in this one, that is called okay, and if you want to write it in this one, that is correct. Okay, both of them you can write it, that's up to you. And what is the next problem? That is Roman number 6. What do we have in Roman number 6? Five plus, okay, should be 6. Okay, 6 plus root 5, 6 minus root 5. Okay, even here we have to rationalize, or we have to convert this irrational number in the form of rational number. Okay, 6 plus root 5 divided by, what is that? That is 6 minus root 5. Here it is minus, we have to write it plus here. Okay, 6 plus root 5, 6 plus root 5. Okay, if you multiply these two, how much will you get? If you multiply these two, then you will get, or then you will get this one, that is a plus b holding square. What is the formula of this? That is a square minus a square. It should be a square plus twice ab plus b square. Okay, after multiplying this one and this, you will get this one. Okay, square. Here you can use the formula, that is a square minus b square. The values of a should be 6 and the values of b should be root 5. 6, that means 6 square minus root 5 square. Okay, square and root cancel. Here you can apply the formula, that is a plus b holding square. So what is a plus b holding square formula? That is a square plus twice ab. What is a? That is 6, and what is b? That is root 5. Okay, and what is b square? That is root 5 holding square or square. Okay, so you can cut it, and 6 square, that will give you how much? 36. Okay, here it is 5, you can write it 5. All right, 6 square, that will give you 36, and 2 times 6, that will give you how much? 12 root 5. Okay, so here it will be 5. 36 minus 5, that will give you how much? 31. 36 plus 5, that will give you how much? 41. Okay, plus 12 root over 5 divided by 31. Okay, as we can see here, the number of which is in the denominator, it is in the form of rational number. Okay, that's what the question has asked us to do. Okay, we just convert it in the form of rational number from irrational number. Okay, then let us proceed to the next problem, that is Roman number 7. In Roman number 7, what problem do we have in Roman number 7? That is 5 plus root 3 divided by, or in the denominator we have 3 plus root 6. Okay, we have to express this one in the form of, like this. That is, here if it is plus, that we have to express in the form of minus. Okay, here it will be 3 minus root 6, and here it will be 3 minus root 6. Okay, then if you multiply these two, then 5, you have to multiply this 5 with this 2. Okay, that is 3 minus root 6. Here we have plus, you'll write here. Okay, here it is root 3, let us write root 3. Here it is 3 minus root 6. Okay, and what can we see? Here we can use a formula that we call it as a square minus b square. Here the values of a will be 3, and in the formula we have a square. Let's put square here. Okay, minus, what is the values of b? That is 6. So let us put a square as we can to know it from the formula. Okay, 5 times 3, that will give you 15, and 5 times root 6, that will give you how much? 5 root 6. Okay, 3 into root 3, that will give you 3 root 3, and minus into plus, that will give you minus root 3 into root 6, that will give you root 18. Okay, 2 square, that will give you 9, square and root cancel. Okay, minus, what is this, 6. 15 minus 5 root 6 plus 3 root 3 minus root 18. Okay, 9 minus 6, that will give you 3. Okay, actually in the denominator we got, that is 3. 3 is a rational number. We just convert this from this irrational number. Okay, now finally we got this rational number, so that will be the end, or that is the required things that is needed to do by us. Okay, can you understand it? Then let us proceed to the next problem, that is Roman number 8. Okay, what do we have in Roman number 8? In Roman number 8 we have, that is 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 divided by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2, here it will be 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, then in this case we have to convert this plus in the form of minus. Okay, minus 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 and 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Okay, just multiply this to whatever you get, that is you will get the formulas that we call it as a minus b holding square. Okay, here how much will be, what will be the formula that we will use, that is a square minus b square. Here this will be the values of a and this will be the values of b. Okay, a square, that is 3 root 2 holding square, minus what is the values of b, that is 2 root 3 holding square. Okay, so it should be square. So let us use the formulas of a minus b holding square. What is the formulas of a minus b holding square? That is a square minus twice ab, that is 2 root 3 into 3 root 2. Okay, plus 3 root 2 holding square. Okay, here let us use a square, so that this will be 3 square and root 2 square. Okay, minus 2 square, and here it will be root 3 square. Okay, that's it. Then let's move it 2 square, and even here it will be root 3 square. Okay, 2 times 3, that will give you 4. 4 times 3, that will give you how much, 12. Okay, and root 3 times root 2, that will give you root 6. And here let us write it like this, so that you can understand it. Okay, what is this? We can cut this one, 2 square, that will give you how much, 9. 9 times 2. Okay, 2 square, that will give you 4 and 3. Okay, so 2 square, how much will it be? That is 2 square, that will give you 4 times square root and cancel, that is 3. Okay, what is that? That is minus 12 root 6 plus 3 square, that is how much, 9. You can cut this one into 2. Okay, 9 times 2, that will give you 18, and 4 times 3, that will give you how much, 12. Okay, 4 times 3, that is 12, minus 12. Okay, root 6 plus 9 times 2, that is 18. 18 minus 12, that is 6. Okay, 12 plus 18 minus 12 root 6 divided by 6. Okay, if you plus this to, how much will it be? It will be 30 minus 12 root 6 divided by 6. Okay, let us take common 6. Okay, 6 times 5 that will give you 30 minus. Okay, let us keep minus here. 6 times 2 that will give you 12 and root 6. Okay, that will give you root 12 root 6. Okay, divided by 6, let us cut 6 and 6. 6 times 1 that will give you 6. That means in the denominator we have 1. Okay, but usually we don't write 1, we just write it like this. Okay, 5 minus 2 root 6. Okay, that will be the answer for this. Then let us proceed to Roman number 9. Let us proceed to Roman number 9. What do we have in Roman number 9? That is a plus x minus a minus x, a plus x plus a minus x. Okay, here it will be a plus x minus a minus x. Okay, a plus x plus a minus x. Okay, here we have plus. If it is plus, then here we have to write it minus. Okay, a plus x minus a minus x. Okay, here it will be a plus x minus a minus x. Okay, if you multiply these two, how much will you get? That is a minus x holding square. Okay, if you multiply these two, what will you get? That is a square minus b square. Here the values of a will be a root over a plus x holding square minus root over a minus x holding square. Okay, so let us use the formula that is a minus b square here. Okay, a will be a plus x holding square, a square will be a plus root over a plus x holding square minus twice a. What will be the values of a? That is a plus x. Okay, and what is the values of b? That it will be a minus x plus what is the next? That is a minus x. Okay, it will be square and root cancel, square and root cancel. Okay, so what is this? Square and root cancel, square and root cancel. Okay, so what will you get? That is a plus x minus into plus, that will give you minus into minus, that is plus x. Okay, so after that, how much will you get, or what will you get? That is a plus x minus 2. Okay, if you multiply this 2 times root over a plus x into a minus x, you will get this one. Okay, plus a minus x. Okay, here there is minus, here it is plus. If but the values are same, you can cut in this case. Okay, x plus x. Let us check here. Here it is minus x, here it is plus x. Since the values both are same but the sign is different, you can cut this one. Okay, so let us take this one, a plus a. How much would it be? Let us write in together. Okay, a. Let us take this one in this side, then minus twice or 2 plus x and a minus into a minus x. Okay, divided by x plus x, that is twice x. Okay, or 2x. If you plus this 2, how much will you get? A and a, that is twice a or 2a, then 2a plus x into a minus x. Okay, and what is this? 2x. Here let us take common 2. Okay, let us take common 2 times a, that will give you 2a. 2 into how much would it be? That is a plus x, a minus x. Okay, divided by 2x. So you can cut this one, 2 times 1. Okay, then the final answer that you will get, that it will be a plus x a minus x. Okay, divided by, or in the denominator we'll have x. Okay, so that will be the answer for this. Since this it is in the form of rational number, so that's what the question has asked us to do, to convert this irrational number in the form of rational number. Okay, that's all for today. If you find any kind of difficulties in understanding all this, please comment down below. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.